Good morning, my prepper posse. You see, I got this tent moved to the back side here, the smaller one. These tents are great for storage. I mean, seriously. I got, stuff to sell in here. So as I go, I can, pull stuff out and sell it. And everything in here is staying nice and dry. So I'm going to move this one as well, the other one. And we're starting to get some sun. Whew, it's early. It's a little chilly, that's all. We're starting to get some sun, so hopefully I can get this one moved and back it up over here. And that's kind of how you, well, for me anyway, I can keep my stuff clean without it being better homes and garbage. This is all the cabbage. Seems to be doing well. It's loving life. It's coming back. And the strawberries are here. And then there's that tent over there. I'm going to put the other one in this empty space here. Keep everything kind of condensed. Oh, joy, the holidays are here. I put my deer up on the side of the bus. I love this. And you got the mail out. Didn't do much, but I'll get a little more done at a time. The deer were running across the field this morning. Beautiful. And what's cool about it is when it's not dark, but it's not light out. And the deer blend. They kind of blend in, so you really, unless you're seeing movement, you really can't see them. It's kind of cool. And they all jump this fencing here and they come down and they go through the bushes and they go down to the creek to get water. It's beautiful. The plan is to get situated enough to be able to load up and go. We'll see. We got to get through December and January, definitely. But they're saying we're supposed to get snow Thanksgiving. So that's going to be interesting. Stay tuned for that. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm going to get busy, but don't forget to play. See you.